Hi, scholars. It's Miss Wallace. Today, I want to be able to practice your letter name fluency. All that means is we're going to be practicing saying the names of our uppercase and lowercase letters. So, we're going to practice a few of these together. I'm going to read the sheet, and then I want you to be able to say some of these letters with me. So when you're doing this activity or this test with your teacher is going to ask you to put your finger underneath the letter. So I'm going to put a little dot under this letter right here. When your teacher says go, she's going to time you to make sure that you can be able to quickly identify as many letters as possible. So all I want you to do is say the letter name for this row. You're going to say it with me. Ready? I'm going to go slow at first, and then I'm going to model how fast we should be going. Ready? B, V, S, X, Z, M, N, C, I, T. Now, did you notice how I read these letters all up in a row and I made sure I pointed with my highlighter every time that I tapped and said each letter name? Now, the first example, I went a little bit slower. Now I'm going to read the rest of the paper, and I want to go a little bit faster each time that I go to a row because the goal is for you to be able to say these letters as fast as you can and to be able to know all of the letters. Ready? Let's begin. F, A, W, S, E, D, R, F, T, G, H, Y, J, U, I, K, L, O, P, O, Z, A, D, C, V, F, G, B, N, H, Q, C, W, Z, E, R, T, V, B, Y, U, N, I, M, L, S, H, D, S, A, P, Q, Z, M, W, O, N, X, S, K, R, U, B, C, D, G, H, Q, Y, A, J, S, D, Y, W, R, N, M, F, U. Great job, scholars. Now, the goal is for you to be able to say as many letters as possible. In kindergarten, your end of the year goal should be about between 42 to 52. So, if you can name all of the letters on the sheet in 1 minute, that's going to be excellent in helping you make sure that you become the first graders that I know you can be. So I want you to spend the rest of this, and I'm going to set my timer. How many letters can you do in 1 minute? So I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to set my timer, and I want you to take 1 minute to go over your letters. All right? Go ahead and put your finger on the marker under the first letter. Ready, set, go. Seconds, keep going. How many letters were you able to do in 1 minute? See if you can do this again and practice with your family member. Remember, we are just practicing for this video the letter names. Click and tune in for the other videos for your letter sounds. Love you. Bye.